Since 1951, Flextool has been a market leader in the supply of quality concrete and construction equipment. Flextool offers a full lineup of products to help you complete the job from start to finish, including a comprehensive range of surface preparation equipment. Flextool Dust Collectors are specifically designed around safety and efficiency, making them ideal for the rigors of commercial and contractor use. The Flextool Dust Collector FDC-1A is quick and straightforward to set up. The unit comes with a continuous bagging system for the efficient storage and disposal of captured material. To connect the dust collector to a concrete grinder, simply attach the hose to the designated 50mm outlet. Plugging directly into a 240V 10A standard power outlet, the Flextool Dust Collector FDC-1A features powerful Amatec twin motors for increased airflow and continuous high-performance operation. The unit's high-quality dual HEPA filtration system is compliant with H-Class standards. It offers optimum air filtration and captures the finest concrete and silica dust particles. With patented auto-pulsing technology, the Flextool FDC-1A model provides reliable and efficient continuous filter cleaning during operation. This ensures 100% uninterrupted working, as there's no need to constantly stop to pulse or manually clean the filters. The filtration system has been designed to ensure there is no suction loss during the self-cleaning process, which maximizes efficiency. The unit is easily maneuverable on site, as it is fitted with quality wheels that reduce the risk of floor damage and a brake system for safety. The unit comes complete with a range of accessories, including a hose, aluminium wand, floor nozzle, hose reducer, hose cuff, and bagging system. When the dust bag is full, make sure it is removed and disposed of in a safe and compliant manner. For more information on the full range of Flextool surface preparation equipment, visit flextool.com.au.